still really scared. And I'm glad we're trying something different. Why? Oh. You can't swim. You can't swim that? What do you mean worried about me? What? Do I look delicate? Like I can't, like, oh. I think I have a hole. Oh, honey, I have a hole in my pants. In my britches, down by my no-no. All right, I don't know, I've never thought about this before, but do water snakes hibernate the same way as outside snakes? Oh. Now seems like a really good time to have a lid on your cup. Right there where you're trying to step? Oh God. You moved out of frame. Can you go back for that last shot?
That jump's pretty much as long as this jump, so I'm not sure what you want to do.
Well, here's my water bottle. I jumped. I got my butt wet, but I jumped. And I did not fall in it and get my butt. You know what? If you even tell me we just jumped over this. Well, honey, here's how we were supposed to get across this log. You didn't think that hard?
Very pretty.
No, that wasn't. I did not almost fall. I was just, model posing. I was getting ready to take a picture. I don't know whatever he's talking about. It's not at all something I would do where I would fall. Ooh, but it is supposed to rain too. So. We might want to consider a little bit faster pace on these openish flats. This looks like a prairie-ish restoration, as long as you're not tripping over that. It is really pretty.
There's some more rocks right there, babe. You don't want to do the leap.
I'll do a leap of faith. My butt's already what? What difference does it make? Really go with directions, but I feel really turned around at the moment. That was a yellow sign trail there. This is an orange. We are lost. You mean to tell me you couldn't tell that way over there is a tree on this unmarked trail that tells you that you're on the right path, the red one? Oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, you're so lost. That, like this, all the way up to there. Red? He's gonna leave me in the woods. I'm never gonna find my way out. It's getting dark. It's gonna rain. I'm gonna die just like the last time. This is how it ends. I survived the leap over the giant canyon of water. I'm gonna die out here in the woods. I'm gonna die out here in the woods. Oh my god, he didn't know where we're going. There's signs everywhere. We're lost. Like 0 water obstacles to cross over here. But I have... No, this is red. Because there's red on the tree over here. Right? Way, so there's my bottle of water. Way over there is a red marking. We are so lost, and we have to get our kids because it's an early release day. We're scurrying behind again. Oh, I gotta run. I don't want to get stuck out here with the bears and the coyotes and the sign foot. I don't. What's down there? Oh shit! 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 2021. Oh my god. Trail running. We've made it out into the wilderness. Oh, houses. We're safe. He's coming for us. He thinks we're dead. He's gonna try to eat us. And the skies are getting ready to open and pour on us. Are you sure we're not going? You sure we're not on the Tomstock Mountain? Oh my god. I can almost touch the rain clouds. We're so high. It still goes up? Oh. Oh my goodness. You did not adequately prepare me for this one. Oh, and I'm supposed to tread water for 30 minutes tonight in the deep water. I don't know if I want to grow old like this. Being healthy and all. Oreos sound better every day. It's still going up. It just doesn't stop. Oh, come on. I bet they were hunting us back there. I bet they wanted to kill us and eat us. What do we got here? A gobble run. Interesting. Ooh, breakfast with Santa and Farmer Pack. Oh god. And that's where we got lost. Somewhere out there. The shine isn't picking up yet, but I'm really sweaty in a lot of places. All my no-no places. There it is. Oh, the shine of sweat's picking up from almost dying.